QR678. QR678 is a newly launched treatment by a group of doctors. QR678 is India and USA patent and it is superior than PRP. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Poonam Patil, dermatologist at Dermaspace Clinic, Regrowth Park, Pune. QR678 is a new treatment with growth factors, stem cells and hair booster, which is injected in the scalp with the help of mesogun, or it can be manually injected. You get faster and better results with QR678. It helps you to increase the hair density and stops the hair fall. QR67 has growth factors like vascular endothelial growth factor, which helps you to increase the blood supply of the scalp. It strengthens the hair follicle and reduces the hair fall. It also has insulin growth factor, keratinocyte growth factor, and fibroblast growth factor. All this growth factor leads to healthy scalp and improves the hair density. It also improves the hair texture and the quality of the hair. Is it different from PRP? Yes. In PRP, we withdraw the blood, then we process the blood, and the platelet-rich plasma is then separated, and then we only inject the platelet-rich plasma. In QR678, no blood is required, and the injections are so superficial that it is almost painless. It is so good for the patient who have tried multiple PRP treatment but are not very satisfied with the results, or for those who have tried PRP and got good results but wants to upgrade their PRP treatment. QR678 is the best option. It is also for those patients who feels that PRP is very painful and wants to opt for hair transplant, but due to certain reason they are unable to do their hair transplant. I think they can also try for QR678 treatment. It is a very good option for hormone-related hair fall. It does work and gives you optimum result in male pattern baldness or androgenic alopecia. It does work in telogen effluvium or female pattern hair loss. It also helps you to give a better healthy hair. Unlike PRP and GFC, definitely you require number of sessions. For optimum results, you need to go for 7 to 10 sessions of QR678. The time required in every session is around 3 to 4 weeks. You can repeat the treatment in 4 to 6 weeks. This is the overview of QR678, and definitely this is not a paid promotion. But for those who are looking for a new modality of treatment for hair fall and tried a lot of PRPs and GFC, for them QR678 definitely works the best. If you still have any doubt, you can write down to us in the comment section or you can contact us. Thank you.